Moving on with other news stories, the number of global COVID-19 infections is approaching 40 million, with more than 1.1 million deaths. India's infections tally has topped 7.5 million, with nearly 56,000 new cases and 579 deaths overnight.
Just when countries thought they had managed to control the transmission of COVID-19, the virus has the world on the ropes again with the surging second wave. In the US, new cases are rising in almost every state as the country braces for a possible third peak. But new restrictions are increasing unpopular among the public. US President Donald Trump has continued his tirade against coronavirus-related curbs, making it even more difficult for state authorities.
Under the Biden lockdown, the lights of Reno and Las Vegas were extinguished. Carson City will become a ghost town. If he comes in, Carson City will become a ghost town. And the Christmas season will be canceled.
While recent data shows that the numbers in Latin America are dwindling, the effects of the pandemic are far-reaching than just death and disease. Europe is now the second hardest-hit region after Latin America and the Caribbean, with over 250,000 deaths. France and the UK, too, are facing full-blown local transmission with tens of thousands of new cases every day.
The
situation is very adverse. There are areas of the country where people queue for 3 or 4 hours to get a plate of food from the community kitchens. The organizations are holding on at full strength since the beginning of the pandemic and without the increase of a single kilo of food by the state.
Meanwhile, the global push for a WHO-approved vaccine continues. The information shared by drug companies show that an immunization is highly unlikely this year.